Ayong adlaw, gentlemen and ladies. Welcome back to our session. Learn with me, Arnal. And for today, we will be solving word problems. And in particular, we will be dealing with age problem. Paborito ng lahat. Paborito mo ba? Right, so without much ado, we have here the first problem. The sum of Rico's and Rica's age is 18. 3 years from now, Rico will be twice as old as Rica. What are their ages now? So first, we have to be very keen on what is being asked by the problem. What are their ages now? Take note, now. So that means that all of the choices are pertaining to their ages now. So these 5 choices are probably their ages now. One of the choices is the correct one. So the best thing to do here is to investigate whether or not the options satisfy to the given statements. First statement, it says there that the sum of their ages is 18. Right? So now we are going to investigate. 4 and 14, that's correct, 18. 5 and 13, 18. 7 and 11, 18. 8 and 10, 18. 6 and 12, 18. So there's nothing we can cancel. So we are going to move on to the next statement. 3 years from now, what does it mean? It pertains to the future plus 3 years, right? 3 years from now. Meaning to say, if these are their ages now, for example, we will take option number 1. We are doing now the trial and error, TAE method, trial and error. So now let's pick option 1, 4 and 14. 3 years from now, this becomes 4 plus 3 becomes 7. 14 plus 3 becomes, because there's no way that 4 becomes 7 and 14 does not. So you have to be consistent. 14 plus 3 becomes 17. Now, we're done with this. 3 years from now, Rico will be twice as old as Rica. Twice ba ang 7 sa 17? 7 times 2. 17 ba? No, it's 14. So this one is wrong. Now let's proceed to option number 2. 5 and 13. 3 years from now, this becomes 8. 13 plus 3 becomes 16. Si Rico, twice as old as Rica. Twice ba to? 8 times 2? 16 ba? Yes. Therefore, this is the correct answer. Wag na. Wag mo nang pansinin yung option 3, 4, and 5. Option 2 is already the correct answer. Ganyan lang kasimple, guys. Okay, let's proceed to another problem. A man is thrice as old as his son. Thrice as old as his son. In 5 years, he will be 3 years more than twice his son's age. How many years old is the man now? How old is the man now? So yung man yung tinatanong, di ba? So, of course, yung man may bata, may anak siya, his son, right? So, since ang tinatanong dito is yung edad or age of the man, but the first statement is very clear that the man is thrice as old as his son, it means that the age of the father, when divided by 3, will give us a good number, will give us the son's age, right? What do I mean? Sabi kasi dyan, thrice as old, meaning to say if we don't know the age of the son, if the age of the son is X, then the month's age, the father's age is 3X. Diba? Minultiply lang natin by 3 kasi sabi thrice as old. Ibig sabihin, when we divide this by 3, ang mangyayari, the result will be the age of the son. So we are going to divide by 3. So now, let's try to divide all the options by 3 and find out if these choices are possible answer. 10 divided by 3, possible ba siya? Di ba ang sagot dyan 3.33? May edad ba na 3.33 na may decimal? Wala. Meaning to say, option 1 is wrong. How about 20 divided by 3? Still, may decimal, so mali siya. 36, possible siya. Kasi divided by 3 will give us 12, correct? Yes. How about 41 divided by 3? May decimal. Mali. So now we are left with option 3 and 5. 24 divided by 3 will give us 8. So now, 50-50 na yung chance natin to get the correct answer because we are left with option 3 and 5 now. Di ba? So, let's proceed to the next statement. Sabi dito, in 5 years. That's future. Diba? Plus 5. He will be 3 years more than twice his son's age. How many years old is the man now? So now, let's take option 3. Or shall I say, let's take option 5. Kasi to me, option 5 is closer to my heart. Let's take a look. Option 5. So, 24 is option 5. So meaning that's the age of the man now, right? So if the man is 24 now, how about the son? Divide by 3, the son's age is 8. So now let's take the next statement. In 5 years. In 5 years, si man magiging 29. Correct? How about si son? Plus 5, magiging 13 siya. Tapos, anong ang kasunod? It says here, he will be, the man, this is the man, will be 3 years more than twice the son's age. So, i-times 2 daw natin, si son, ang age ni son, times 2 is equal to 26. 3 years more pa daw si papa niya. Yung papa niya is 3 years more. Totoo ba na plus 3? Yan yung edad ng papa niya? Yes. Diba? Nag-times 2 na tayo kasi sabi twice his son's age. But 3 years more. So plus 3. 26 plus 3, 29. Diba yan yung edad ng papa niya? So meaning this is the correct answer. That's it. How about the next problem? This is the simplest of all the 3 problems that we are trying to solve now. Mary's father is 4 times as old as Mary. 5 years ago, he was 7 times as old as Mary. How old are they now? 4 times as old. So, ibig sabihin, if si Mary ay X, so si father niya is 4X. Kasi 4 times eh. So, ibig sabihin, if we are going to divide the father's age by 4, ang sagot is ang edad ni Mary. Now, of all the choices, alin ba dyan yung, for example, 40 divided by 4? Or, no, let's put it this way. Let's reverse it. Diba? Kanina nag-divide tayo 4x divided by 4. So, the reverse way is, ibig sabihin, if we are going to multiply the age of Mary by 4, diba? X times 4, ang mangyayari, ang resulta is the father's age. So, now, can we multiply Mary's age here for option 1 by 4? Yes, by 4, and it will give us 40. This is correct. That's already our answer. Now, if you are not convinced, if you are doubtful, then you can try 11 times 4. 44. O, 39 yan. So, mali. 12 times 4. 48. Not equal to 38. 14 by 4. 16, 56, not equal to 42. 15 by 4, 60, not equal to 45. Only option 1 satisfies the very first statement of the problem. So that's our answer. I hope you learned something. That's the best tip, the fastest tip I can give you when solving age problem. We can actually do the think the traditional method and even those that are available online, that is like, for example, this is Mary and this is father, and then my table, di ba? May ganon. This is now, this is present, 5 years past, di ba? So this is Mary's age, X, and then father is 4X, something like that. But you know, as I showed you, it's, I think, for me, I believe it's the best way for you to solve age problem. Perhaps it's easier for you now, but then if you are going to figure out by yourself solving age problems, it would be hard for you. But my only tip for you is to solve more and more, because the more problems you solve, the easier it will become. Thank you, gentlemen. See you next session. Bye-bye, everybody.